Today, I worked on a vehicle where the customer reported that the engine was cranking over slowly. A slow crank can be caused by several factors, so I began diagnosing the issue step by step to determine the root cause. First, I connected a scan tool to check for fault codes. The scan tool revealed 3 codes: B1325, device power circuit voltage below threshold; B1517, battery voltage below threshold; C0800, device 1, power circuit. These codes suggested a possible problem with the vehicle's battery or electrical system, so I focused my attention there. Using a multimeter, I measured the voltage across the battery terminals. The measured voltage was below the manufacturer's specified range, confirming that the battery wasn't delivering enough power to the system. Low voltage like this is a common cause of slow cranking, as the starter motor doesn't get enough power to turn the engine over effectively. To further investigate, I connected a battery charger to the battery and fully charged it. After the charging process, I used a battery conductance tester to evaluate the battery's ability to conduct current. The results showed that the battery was unable to conduct the specified amount of current, even when fully charged. This confirmed that the battery was defective and needed to be replaced. Next, I installed a new battery and cleared the fault codes using the scan tool. I then performed a road test to ensure everything was functioning correctly. The vehicle started smoothly, the engine cranked over at the proper speed, and no new fault codes appeared. Why this happens? A slow crank is often caused by insufficient power delivery from the battery, either due to a discharged or faulty battery. Over time, a battery's ability to hold a charge and deliver the necessary current diminishes, especially in extreme temperatures, or if the vehicle isn't driven frequently. Regular battery checks and maintenance can help prevent these issues. This repair highlights the importance of proper diagnostics. By systematically testing the battery with a multimeter and conductance tester, I was able to confirm the issue and replace the faulty component efficiently. If your vehicle is cranking slowly, don't overlook the battery. It's often the simplest solution to the problem.